Hello and welcome to my new series, Summer Yoga for New Beginnings. And I have 5 dogs here, so who knows what's going to happen for this summer series. And I promise I'll have better sound quality. So let's hop into our first day of yoga. Staying center line, being fully grounded within yourself, strong in your core, strong in your center line. Let's go. Come to your place, no mat needed today. Hands in prayer pose, standing straight. Reach your prayer hands overhead, stretch, feeling your center line. Walk your feet a couple of times, connecting to the earth, hands down, feeling your spot, connected to self and earth. Reach your hands over Utkatasana, half squat, feeling strong and fierce. Engaged muscles, and bending down further, deeper in your squat. Hands reach straight out in front of you. Strong. And come up straight. Eagle. Strong in your left leg. Opposite leg goes over, binding your ankle if you can. Prayer pose. Or eagle arms. Eagle arms, the opposite leg goes over. Hugging your center line, focused. And letting go, switching sides, strong in your right leg, binding opposite arm, going over, or prayer hands again. Hugging your center line, strength, focus. And letting go, stretching overhead, smiling, and hands down, feet hip width apart. First stretch far in front of you, about a couple of feet in front of you, and then grab your ankles, forward fold. Stretch as much as you can for however warm your body is. And letting go, come out of that and just squat down and sit on the ground or floor. Boat pose, starting with a high boat. Center line is strong, core is strong. Hug your knees, feeling stable, ready for the world. And lift up into boat pose. Grabbing feet, ankles, toes, or legs. Squeezing your legs in. Smiling. Strong. Coming down lower, halfway. Arms can hold your thighs or be open, palms towards the sky like me. Hug in and relax a little. Come up standing. Tadasana. Feeling strong, any movements you need. Palms now alongside your body. Feeling your center line. Prayer pose to your third eye, still holding Tadasana, mountain pose. Hands over heart, still holding your mountain pose. Strong in your center line, ready. And touch your feet, the top of your feet, feeling connected. And reaching up tall towards the sky, stretching. You are fully center connected to yourself. Great practice and namaste.